Hello, this is Karin. So as promised, I'm going to swatch again the Earth Tone set from Alina Gallo that I won in her giveaway. First, I want to apologize again for the video being too bright. My fault is that I didn't check the camera settings, and when I switched positions of the camera, I did the whole unboxing without looking at the settings, so it came out too bright. And of course the swatches were overexposed. She was nice enough to leave a link to her site where she has swatches for them. Still, I wanted to make it to make the video again, make the swatches again, because I think it's fair. So this is the metal box. I've already opened it. If you want to check how it looks like before being opened, I will still leave links to the unboxing up here. You will be able to see something, I swear. And so I'm going to swatch this set. I'm also going to swatch the 3 dots that she gave me. Now I have contacted her about the pens, because as of now you cannot purchase any of these pens in a single pen, but you can only have them by buying the set. She's going to update the site and add all of them as a single pens, and add these as well. So if you're interested just in one of these colors, you can just get that one and not the whole set. She also has something else in the workings, but I don't know if I'm allowed to say what it is. Some new colors, of course, and she promised me that by July, August, anyway, by the summer they're going to be up on her site. So I am really excited about that, and ready to get them as soon as she gets them out. Okay, so let's watch this. Unfortunately, the only cotton paper that I have is the Cadi one, so it is not white. It is an ivory color, and I'm sorry about this, but I have only this one in cotton, and all the other ones are like smooth cellulose, and swatching on that paper just doesn't go well. I've tried it. So let's go with this one first. I will try to do it this way. It is a strange setup for me, but I swear I will do my best. Okay, so, well, let's leave the best for last. Okay, so let's go with green umber. Blah, 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 blah. Wait, where do I? Here. Well, let's go sun. Or let's go up here. Okay. Okay, so this is the green umber tone. You can see the greenish hue, I have to say. Then we'll go with the Rosso Venezia. Oh, wait, let me move this here. It is a little, it is a cool red, like a cool brick red. I can see like hues of purple in it. Not that there is actually purple, but it is, you know, the feeling you get when you swatch something and you think, oh, okay, that's definitely, it looks like that color. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit and see if it still works, because I am fighting with... Okay, there we go. Then we have my favorite out of these 3 dots, which is the Rosso Ercolano, which is definitely a more orange tone red. And it is so gorgeous. This one is probably the, well, not the favorite hue, because Morellone is also a challenger for my favorite position out of all the paints she sent me, but this one comes very close. Okay, so let's go in with the set. I'm going to swatch them in an inverted order, so the first one is going to be the burnt umber. Say hello to the burnt umber. There we go. So this one, compared to the one in the other set, is a little more of a reddish tone. The one in the 12 half pan set is more is cooler. The pigment is still the same, but they come from two different places, so maybe, I don't know, element composition is a little bit different, but the pigment is the same. This one is Pompeii red, and is like the Pompeii and Ercolano are the two cities that the Vesuvius destroyed back in Rome. So these are these two. It is a very beautiful brick color, and I really like it. Not my favorite of the set though. Let's go in with the Verdaccio, which is the sister to Chromium Oxide Green, basically. It's a little bit more transparent, I think, though. Let's go second row, because I grow tired of moving this thing. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, this one is the no wait, I cannot remember. The name on the pen is Soho Green, and it behaves a little bit like Maya colors, so the color is not that intense, and you need to layer it a little bit to charge the color. Here it is. It is like a cool olive tone, more or less. I really like it. It's very minty. Sorry. I also have another set that arrived that has mint in it, so I'm feeling everything minty. Okay, here comes my favorite out of all this set, which is the Morellone. Oh, look at that! Sorry, let me dilute it a little bit, or you will not understand anything. Look at it go! So, it's very opaque, it's granulating, of course, and I really like the tone of it. It gives me like the feeling of monochrome paintings, and if I had to go monochrome, I would probably do it for this color. Then let's go with the Rosiana. There we go, let's pick a little bit more of it up. Here we go. Alright. Maybe I should have swatched this in a different order, I think. But basically, let's zoom out. And let me show you all of them. Zoom out. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so these are all the colors. Actually, these three are separate dot cuts that are going to come in a little bit later on our site, and these three and these three are actually the earth pigment, the earth tone set. Sorry, let me show them to you properly, and I think this time the exposure is just right. Okay, so I'm going to cut this short because the camera is dying, but basically this is what I wanted to show you, the proper swatches for these paints. I am going to do a speed paint of them later, when I can get a proper tripod, because this one sucks. And I'm sorry again for the overexposed video. Hope you like these swatches, and really, these are really fun to play with. Actually, I'm going to play with them right now, but for that I have to say goodbye. Bye! And until next time.